what's up guys? Welcome back to the shop. I'm Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to properly clean and condition your leather seats with the Masterson's Car Care leather cleaner and leather conditioner combo. Now this is the perfect combo to clean any leather surface on your vehicle. So if you got leather seats, dashboards, door panels, it also works on custom leather goods. This is going to be the perfect combo to get the job done. Now you can pick this up on our website, mastersonswax.com, or you can get it from any authorized Masterson's Car Care distributor. So let's show you guys how to clean these leather seats properly. Now we're first going to start out with the Masterson's leather cleaner. Now this is a pH balanced leather cleaner with no color and no scent. So you see it's clear. So it's going to work on all color leather, black, tan, red, white, all surfaces. This is going to be the one to do. Now this is a concentrated formula, so one bottle can make up to 4 to 6 bottles. So I already grabbed one of our Masterson's dilution containers and I already mixed it with some clean water at a 4:1 ratio to clean these leather seats. Now these leather seats are over 10 years old, so they're going to have a lot of oil and a lot of body oil on the seats with dirt and stains, so we're going to take it off using the leather cleaner. So I like to first take my leather cleaner and just spray the whole seat down. You can spray this directly on the seat and cover the whole surface. There we go. Now what I'm going to first start out with is our Masterson's leather cleaning brush. This is a premium horsehair detailing brush designed specifically for leather. We'll start on the top. I'm just going to go in a light medium circle and start scrubbing the seat. The brush is going to get the job done fast and easy. And it has light foaming action. So you see how it foams up nice and light? That means it's cleaning all the dirt right off. I'm just gently scrubbing the leather and I'm letting the brush do the work. And then I'm going to move down to the bottom. Now leather cleaning should be a fast and easy job if you have the right tools. We got the right chemical, we got the right tools, and we're making it a fast and easy job. I'm going to spray also the headrest, so don't forget this headrest. This is where you might have a lot of dirty contamination on the headrest, so we're going to grab the dilution bottle and scrub the headrest. Here we go. Now once we've cleaned the surface, we're going to go ahead and take a clean microfiber towel. This is one of our yellow microfibers, and we're just going to gently wipe off all the leather cleaner. Look how easy it just comes off. And look at all that dirt that's coming off already just from a few wipes. That's all dirt that was embedded in the leather. Black leather usually hides a lot of dirt. So if you have black leather, you might not think it's dirty until you start cleaning it, and then you're like, wow, all that dirt was really on my leather. There we go. Already the leather's looking good and it's getting back that matte look on the leather. When leather is dirty, it starts to have a greasy look to it, almost shiny. This leather is already starting to look more matte, especially on the back as the leather cleaner starts to dry. Now the leather cleaner is going to evaporate off the surface, leave a nice matte finish, and then it's going to be prepped and ready for our leather conditioner. Here we go. Now look at that nice matte color. It's matte, it's dry, it's ready to be applied with our leather conditioner. So now we're gonna go over to our leather conditioner. Now this leather conditioner is a premium leather lotion with vitamin E and aloe. So it's gonna condition all leather goods. Let's give it a shake. And all we need to apply this is just a basic microfiber towel, or microfiber applicator pad or towel. I like to use applicator pad. And I like to just put like 3 dots on my applicator pad. And then I like to just spread it out around on the seat. Nice. Just already look at that feel and the texture that's going on the seat. Let's go ahead and add a little bit more. I like to just add a little bit more as I go. Put some up here as well. Move up here to the headrest. go. Let's go to the bottom on the seat cushion. Nice, there we go, guys. It's a warm day, so this is already sinking into the leather. If you're working on a cooler day, you can let this sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you got a nice warm day like this, it's already started to work into the leather and ready to be removed. So we'll spread it in, get it into the leather pores. And then we're just gonna go ahead and grab a second microfiber towel. So I got another clean yellow microfiber, and let's just go ahead and just remove the excess. All we're doing is just removing any excess that's on there. Nice. And we're not wiping it off, we're just removing the light amount of excess that's on the seat. There we go, guys. Now look at our leather. It's looking good, it's feeling good, and you know what? It smells good as well, because our natural leather conditioner, it smells like brand new leather. So it really gives that new leather smell back into the car. So if you have an older car like this one that might have been 5, 10, maybe 15 years old, it might have lost that leather scent. And now this leather feels so soft. It feels supple and it doesn't feel like it's gonna crack. Plus the UV protection in the leather conditioner is gonna prevent it from cracking. Now that's exactly how you clean and condition leather seats and leather door panels or dashboards, quick and easy. Now, if you wanna get that leather scent back to your car and you wanna give that fresh leather scent all over the vehicle, you can also pick up our Masterson's leather scented air freshener. We're gonna apply that to the whole vehicle and give that brand new car smell right back to this Mercedes. Now, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Check out all the other videos we have right here on our channel. And if you wanna pick up all your leather care goods, head over to our website, mastersonswax.com, where you get all the best detailing supplies shipped right to your door. Now, I'm Greg from Masterson's. We'll see you next time. Always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.